Best locks for overhead garage doors to prevent break-ins. Blindax locks. This is a clever way of changing a garage door lock with better locks to prevent break-ins without ruining the upholstery, but increasing the security of the overhead garage door. Blindax Technoblind Locks Company will allow you to increase the security of the garage door up to 30 times thanks to an external steel protector, 3 protection plates and high security lock with 2 locking points, and many other secrets of an armored locksmith. Precious items that originate directly from Italian craftsmanship and industry, the first in the world in the home security sector. No quarrel in residences with the garage door lock kit thanks to the aesthetic result of the external reinforcement plate, which can be painted in the exact RAL shade created by the door manufacturer. Heavy-duty garage door lock is equipped with a double anti-burglary device. The high-security locking cylinders are European profile and resistant to all technical manipulation and break-in techniques. Changing a lock on the garage door with all the advice by armored locksmith of the Blindax Technoblind Locks Company will be an experience that will make you feel like the hero of your home and of your family. Garage door security with up-and-over type solution is upgradable now. Call our direct number +39 344 159 7391 now to find out more.